right, good morning. Hey, let's pay attention. You guys all got out your egg lab part one? Who doesn't have it out? Good. So today, we're gonna complete lab part one, and we're gonna go to lab part two. But once we're done with this one, I'll let you know. After that, we're gonna do a PowerPoint, take some notes over the cell transport. And then if there's enough time at the end of the class, we'll go ahead and work on the midterm review. You guys have the midterm this Friday, March 11th. So with the part one, we're gonna be working on cups 1 and 2. So each table, one by one, you're just gonna go get up and get cups 1 and 2, and go back over there, okay? So the reason we're gonna go over it is just to see the pH balance of the water and how it affected the egg. So table 1, go get your 2 cups. Table 2. And I'll explain the directions once you guys are all sitting on your table. 3. Four.
No, it's 1 and 2, you're right.
Oh, you have 2 colors. Tap water.
And 5.
Your first vinegar cup.
Right, you should have had color in your tap water and color in your vinegar.
Yeah. No one told me to put color in my tap water.
Did you read the directions?
Table 6. Seven.
Colors in vinegar and second vinegar cup.
That's not the directions that were on the PowerPoint.
That's what you do.
1 and 2, cups 1 and 2. No, you like the look. Should be. 8. Go ahead and get your cups. All right. So the learning targets, I can explain the structure and function of the cell membrane. That's what we're looking at. I can define diffusion, osmosis, and explain how they are similar and how they differ. I can work together with my group to identify how ocean acidification can affect sea urchins, because that's what the egg is representing. Okay? And I could set up a lab to test how cell transport, like diffusion, osmosis, impacts homeostasis. So we handed out 2 cups. All right, those are gonna simulate the beakers that were needed. So what you're gonna do is we drain the fluid, and then after that, you're gonna crack your egg, and then dump it in the egg shell into the other cup, and then you're gonna make your observations of the shells and eggs from the experiment we did over the weekend. I'll see if we have some.
We don't have any gloves. You can touch this with your hands. It's not gonna hurt you. Okay, guys, before you do this, listen. Shh. Leave the liquid in your cups. Leave the liquid in the cup that it's in. You're taking the egg out of the cup. So look at the directions on the board.
Yeah, so I got mixed up with part 2 of the lab because we actually emptied it and put syrup and water. But this one, just get your egg out, crack it, put the eggshell in the empty cup, which is the beaker, and then leave the egg, like the yolk or whatever, inside the liquid, make observations. Good? Okay, go ahead and start.